welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today is time for a mystery box. Love mystery boxes. This box was sent to me from a YouTube group I belong in. They divided up all the names and everybody sent everybody else a box with a price limit and you could spend however much you wanted. My person was Vanessa Jans. She sent me this big huge box. Oh my gosh, so excited. She has, her channel is Mom and Wifey Vlog, and I will link it below. Let's see what's in this awesome looking box. Ooh, we have bubble wrap. I like bubble wrap. This looks like a palette. She must have watched my channel. Don't quit your daydream. Oh, this is cute. It's got a sticky on it that doesn't want to come off. Ah. So it looks like that. So pretty. Look at those pinks. Oh. I have some foundation on my hand, so this is where I'm putting this at. But those look beautiful. Can't wait to play with this. Yeah, let's watch a nude. It looks like they're all shimmers. Ooh, look at that copper color. So pretty. What else is in here? Ooh, heavy. Okay, the Pro Artist Contour and Blush Palette. And it is huge. Oh my gosh, it's huge. And it has some pretty blushes, some contour and highlight. And looks, those ones over here are, this is the blush and this was the highlight. This is the contour. So cool. Oh, there's a box. And it has a brush. What are you? The Color Rush, the Perfect Blend. Foundation Perfecting Contour Brush with Professional Deep Cleaning Gel and Pad. Oh man, I just cleaned my brushes the other day. And cleaning these big thick ones is a nightmare. I can't wait to play with that. I have other brushes that I'm positive this will work for, and I will totally use that. So thank you very much. Keeping your brushes clean. Such a nightmare, right? Okay, so last thing in here is 3 bath bombs in Berry Blossom. They're so cute, and I love bath bombs. I'm a total bath kind of girl. I don't always get to take them, but when I do, it's awesome. Oh, come out. Okay. Oh, and it smells super pretty. I love this scent. I'm not going to open it all the way because I hate it when my bath bombs go all gross. You know what I mean? So thank you very much, Vanessa. This stuff is great. I absolutely love this. I will totally use that. And these. Probably use one of those tonight. The 2 palettes are great. I especially love this because I love that holographic look. And I love all them shimmer shades. I cannot wait to play with this. Like, so many looks in here that are so cute. And that navy color, oh, great colors in here. So fun. So thank you very much. And if you guys want to, the woman who set this up, I will have her linked below and everything. She also has a vlog. She does lots of things on it. You can connect with her. She has YouTube Army, and I love her. The way she has that site set up is really great. Actually gives you a lot of YouTube support for small YouTubers because it can be tough when you're a small YouTuber. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye!